I downloaded FPV FreeRider, the demo version, and that worked with my Interlink controller from RealFlight. And I actually had RealFlight 6.5, and it worked fine, no problems. And the only course that you had active in the demo version or the free version is the desert. And I used that to make sure that the software would work on, number one, on my computer, but more importantly, number two, with my controller. As I did turn down the volume some. They have the parking lot, they have the playground, the meadow, island, and the desert. The island's pretty good because it has the trees. So if you like trees, it's kind of cool.
I went the wrong way. Okay. Oh, no, I just missed I guess you got to hit the light spot. So if you go too wide, it doesn't count you.
If you're just getting started, probably the meadow is the better place to go because there's less things to hit. And there are gates, so you can get the feel for going through the gates.
In the meadow. Right and left turns here. Here's a look at the desert. This is the one that's in the free version. Not sure how it looks on the screen there, but it looks real clear on my computer monitor. Went a little wide there. Okay, 25.48 seconds. A quick trip around the playground here. Let's see what we got. Got some playground structure. Swings, trees. Just the playground. Okay, the car park I haven't got figured out yet. Doesn't really make sense. Let's go around the outside. That part's pretty clear. But then here we start getting a little odd because we're going to make a sharp turn here. Okay. We're going to go straight through. And now here's where I get confused because I make this turn. Now I'm going to zigzag up through here. I'm going slow so you can see the lights whenever they come on ahead. So we're zigzagging. Okay, now what do we do? Let's see. We zigzag up one more time. Now where do we go? I think we go outside. Yep, we go out or go into the other level. All right, so it would probably be helpful if they had arrows on the ground. See that arrow there? Okay, now see the other light there is right here. Nope, not right there. Where's it at? Where's the other light at? Looking for the other light. Yeah, see you go down and now the other light's way down here. so that was a car park track. Not sure I like that one. It's a little complicated. But anyway, that is a brief overview of this Freerider. Pretty good for $5, $4.99 to be exact. And the only thing I had to do was I'm using a Real Flight controller. And whenever I first powered up, I had to go over here and click on Calibrate Controller. And then I had to click on to set the 0 at bottom. And that was it. But I see there's some other settings here, so it looks like there's it's set on, is it set on Snappy? No. Okay, so Snappy is so there's a different setting than what I was at, and plus I guess it looks like you could change those settings. So I was just running the default settings there. It seemed to be okay with me. That's my quick overview of this FPV Rider. Pretty cool for $5.